The Markup feature is a new animation tool made for users to overlay painted sequences on their scene. It works on a frame-by-frame basis, so you can quickly add annotations, notes, and comments to communicate ideas more clearly. To add a markup item to your scene, select the camera you want to assign the markup to, and then scroll down to the image's subheading in the Properties panel. When clicked, you'll be asked to set the image resolution and file path for the created image sequence. A pop-up window will then appear with the markup tools ready for use. There are 5 brush templates to choose from, an eraser, and a colour picker for the paint. Beneath the colour picker are additional controls: save image, forward and backward navigation through the markup frames, and hold to determine how many frames an image should be held by. Since the markup is assigned to a camera view, it will remain in its fixed position as you rearrange the camera. You'll find a canvas item in the item list to control the visibility of the markup image sequence as seen through the assigned camera.